This is a brief tutorial on how to download the data analysis tool pack, which you may not have to complete the Excel project for week 6. So when you go to data, notice that I'm in the top data tab. I want to to see data analysis. If you don't see this right here on the top right hand corner where I'm moving my mouse, you're going to have to follow the steps that I'm going to show you right now. So you go to file and you go all the way down to options. So if you notice on the left hand side, then you're going to go all the way down on the left hand side for the box that says add-ins. Click on that. You're going to have to select the analysis tool pack and you're going to hit go. Not okay, hit go. Once you do that, I'm going to show you what it looks like. You'll have an option of clicking on these boxes. I neurotically like to click 3 out of the 4 except for the Euro currency tools, and I hit OK. Once you do that, now I can't hit OK because I already have it. Once you do that, this will appear once you go to data on the top left hand corner, and that's all you need to know.